Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dibber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our VW Scirocco. So this is a 2011 model, just covered just over 97,000 miles. It's presented in candy white, as you can see. It's got good service history with it. It's got the bigger wheels, privacy glass, cruise control, Bluetooth. Really clean car. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment. If you'd like to view it, if you've got any questions or you want to come down and have a test drive, we just need your driving licence. Thanks for watching.